Hey everyone, in this video we are going to explore one of the most essential tools in the world of software development, is GitHub. If you are a beginner in coding or an experienced developer, understanding GitHub is very important. GitHub is a developer platform that allows developers to create, store, manage and share their code. It is a web-based platform that provides hosting for software development projects, which allow developers to track changes to their codebase, collaborate with others, and manage projects efficiently. GitHub is commonly used to host open source software development projects. It reported having over 100 million developers and more than 420 million repositories. It is one of the largest source code hosting platforms in the world. GitHub allows developers to keep track of changes to their code over time. This means you can check the previous versions if you need and easily collaborate with others. Developers upload their code to GitHub repositories, where it's stored and version control using Git. Developers can collaborate on the same projects by making changes, suggesting improvements, and reviewing each other's code. In GitHub, branches enables developers to work on new features or fixes independently by keeping the main code clean. When developers want to contribute their changes back to the original project, they submit pull requests for review and approval. Once a pull request is approved, the changes are merged into the main code, and the project evolves with the contributions of its community. GitHub profile shows the developers' contributions into the open source projects and community, and their overall activity on the platform. Your GitHub profile is like your coding portfolio, highlighting your expertise, projects and collaboration history, and impact on the open source community. GitHub is most valuable tool for development, building, collaborating, and contributing to software development projects. If you enjoyed this introduction video of GitHub, give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone, leave your thoughts in the comments below, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.